Program number 26. Consider the series object S13 that stores the charity contribution made by each section. See below. This is the section wise has given the contribution. Write a program to display the contribution in ascending order. Your contribution you will display the ascending order and index is descending order. So two types you have to display. First, value in the ascending order. Second, index in descending order. So first we have to write the program, import pandas. Second, S13 equal to pd.series data equal to this is the value, then index equal to abcd label index. Now charity contribution S13 and the print command we are simply calling to these data series. Now ascending values, ascending orders. Contribution in ascending order means ascending values. So in the ascending, how we can call? Through the sort values, because we need only to the values, not with index. So S13 dot sort values. Sort values whenever we'll call, by default it will accept ascending order. If you want to write or inside of the parenthesis you can write ascending equal to true also. Yeah, if you will not mention then also it will come. If you want to arrange in the descending order, so that times what will write? Ascending equal to false, not descending equal to true. Okay, so now call to the print command, run it and check it. First charity contribution, this is. Now ascending values, look at here, 5000, then 5200, 5600, 6700. This is the ascending order, C D B A. Okay, because we sorted through the value. Now come, if you will mention here, just like look at here, this one, print equal to print descending order, sort value ascending equal to false. If you will call, then it will come to the descending order. Now ascending index, this one mentioned as a descending order. So this one I have given many things, so then if any type of questions will come, so then you can do it. So ascending index, sort index, otherwise inside of the parenthesis sort index after ascending equal to true if you will write, then it will display index wise. Now descending index, sort index, ascending equal to false. Change the order. If you want to change the order of the index, so then you will write re-index. Then whatever order you want, that order's name you will write. Remove particular element, that series object dot drop and then index name. This one I will not call, otherwise it will delete it. Till re-index I am calling. Through the run command, run module, press the OK. Look at here. First charity contribution, then ascending values, now come descending values, after ascending index ABCDE, index order, descending index DCBA. Now change the order of the index CADB. I changed. Now if you will call through the drop command, so then what happened? It will drop command, so then C index will remove. Just I comment these lines, then it will not display more. Last one only. Run. See, after removing particular element, C we have deleted, so A, B and D, these are the remaining datas. So this is the program number 26.